Okay, so we're out here today at the Indianapolis Home Show at the State Fair grounds. She told me not to put her on, but I'm putting her on. This is a live feed. Say something into the camera. Hello. Okay, so I had to turn this sideways because my management company told me it would look much better if I turned it sideways. I'm still looking up my nose. Okay. I gotta come out this way then. So here's what I'm gonna do today. I'm going to show you a couple booths around our area. And if you would like to come out here, let us know and we can get you tickets. We're here today till 8 o'clock. Tomorrow, 10 to 8. Sunday, 10 to 5. We're going to show you our display quick. And then I'll take you around to some of the others. So, let's figure out how to turn this around. Okay, here we go. So here's our display. We're in row 500. Our booth number is 511. We have our walk-in tubs out here this year. And we have all of our shower displays. So I'll just quickly show you. This is actually a matte finished vanity top, which means the color on the top is a matte finish instead of glossy. And we also have the Olympic bowl. It's kind of like a rectangle look. That one is 5/8 of an inch thick. Then you come over to this one. This is the Eclipse bowl in blue pearl finish. And that one is 1.5 inches thick. Then you come back here, and this is our tub surround. This is our Onyx material that we use up around our tubs and also for showers. This here is just showing that we can go around a window. A lot of people have windows in their shower or like up around an old bathtub. We can actually waterproof that. There's a corner caddy. That is the Liberty corner caddy. And that is the Liberty recessed caddy. Here is another one of our showers. Hey Cody, am I doing this right, bud? Am I like, I'm doing it sideways just for you, bud. So what I'm gonna show you here is, this is the fully frameless door. So that door swings in and out of the shower. It goes both ways, which is really cool. We have an Intuition shower head here. This is actually a magnetic one. So it actually will stick up there even if you don't get it in there right. It's magnetized. There is a diamond corner caddy. Another diamond one with the diamond 18-inch seat. And the pattern on the wall is actually a subway tile look. Again, it is not subway tile. It's actually all one piece. But that is the pattern to it. So we don't do tile. We actually do something much better than tile. You don't have to seal this at all. This here base is what is that base? That's a mid-height base. Then you come over to this shower. This one here has got the slider, the frameless slider door on it in the rain textured glass. We have one just like this in our showroom as well. It has the seat. The seat's rated for 400 pounds, so you never have to worry about it falling off the wall. And then we have another Liberty recessed caddy. It's the taller one. We have a color change that goes through this whole panel. So basically what this is it's all the same panel. It's just a color change. They just changed the color in the panel, which is really neat. There's another caddy. And then a foot shelf for the ladies. Put their foot on and then they can shave their legs. And then there's another style of that Intuition shower head. We'll come down to this one. Down here, Julie's down here pretending like she's working, as always. This one has got a bench seat, low profile base. And you can see, so these are cutouts of our Onyx bases. So you can see how thick they are. So it's solid material, so you don't have to worry about falling through it. This one pattern actually is a tile look. Again, it's just a look though. It's not actually a tile. Because who would want that, right? I mean, really. Who would want to have to seal their tile every year? Who would have to have their wife go in the bathroom and clean all that icky grout all the time? I mean, really. Who has time for that? I know I don't. So let's go over here. There's some people in the booth, so I have to be somewhat normal. This is a double sink with two different style bowls. That's a Venetian bowl. That is the wave bowl. That's in pepper color. 8-inch spread faucet. That one's 5/8 thick. And this one, just the normal old round bowl. With the 1-inch thick top. This is a neo-angled shower back here. So if you need a shower in the corner, this is what you would do. Got another one of those seats in there. This one has a tile break in it. So that is actually real tile. But we just do a break every once in a while. Somebody wants to dress it up a little. We do that. Another caddy there. If you can't find us when you get here, we're right by the big area that has the insulation. It's like a great big roof. And then if you can't see that sign, then you probably won't find us. So I'm going to show you this barn door. This is our new display this year. It's barn door. And then this is a wavy tile, so it's a little bit different. It's got a wave to it. Tile look, again, it's not tile, but it's a tile look. You also have the foot shelf again. That one has just a little ledge to put stuff on. And that is another tile break that you can see. And then we generally will use the Delta faucet. We like Delta. The rough-in valve's super nice. This here is the Model 17 series. So you can get the temperature whatever you want. And then you go ahead and you flip the water on, flip the water off. That way now next time you get in, the water is going to be the same temperature that it was last time. Just one of their shower heads. So we'll generally get tired at the end of the night and go over to the mattress firm over there and take ourselves a nap. She's not here then, because why?
I have to take care of the kids.
I have to take care of the kids. There's Mr. Mattress Firm right there himself. What up, yo? So that's kind of it for us. Yeah, we can take you around later on, but for us, that's about it. That's our walk-in tub. One of them. Actually, I'll show you this quickly. This tub, the door actually goes in on this one, so you get in, sit down, and then shut the door behind you. This one's a little different. This one, the door comes out, so you can actually wheelchair up to the side of it and transfer yourself in, and then the door shuts behind you. And then you latch it here. And yes, you have to wait for the tub to drain in order to get out of it. So before the questions come in, I've already answered them for you. What's so funny, dum-dum? Okay. And yes, what's the other thing? You have to get in, sit down before. Yes. We've been doing this a couple years. Anyways, I'm going to flip this back so you guys can see my pretty face. And I think we're going to probably just head off. Any questions, stop out and see us at the show. Or if you'd like to come into our showroom, we're right there in Brownsburg. 3816 North State Road 267. Don't come there today because we're not there. We should be there Monday or Tuesday. What else do I have to tell you guys? You can call us 317-456-4567. I don't understand what these people are trying to do. Let's ask the question. What's the question?
How much is the unit on the end, the bathtub unit?
How much is the bathtub unit on the end is the question of the day. We'll save that for later. Have a great day, everybody.